Kani gadega Patisi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni.
Kakong Anita Synrem, kalakan tat ya gajing penpena kubor, kabam shisha nakikato kat neki Paidbah, bakam ya konsyo ya kaniki election syakiying darbar tawan, kejela kaban solong, syan hakini kisngi banwan. Hakabai day berkene kebenta kakong Anita Synrem, rengkat kinong buat jongka, henne kasngi ke kat artere ukala lingkon, hakaji gendo bat kilat patai kubor, hasilong press club, kala Pynshai bakam dan kum kata gajing temu. Henry kalarai banyak khun baik ya kaniki election MLA kaban solong, syan kum ka kartong simen, naka 14 Pynthorumkhrah constituency. Kakong Anita kalai turu baka jing temu jongka banyak khun kaniki election, kalong baka terang banwan ra ikilat penroi hakani kathan, naka babenrap ru baka Pynthorumkhrah constituency kadai ke badang sa dien khamtam hakaliang ki kampenroi nangta banyada ya kajing sa ban ben yo ki kentai bat kiwi kiman nalor kani kakong Anita Synrem kalakan thora yu ba al hang ubadai UMLA bamenta uba klamlale ai nakabenta ki Paidbah jongkani constituency banwan ra i kampenroi watla uralong MLA menta la saw samoi lenter kakong Anita Synrem kadai ke basong basa Apollo Hills Shillong bar kadai ru kon high school kabalasong thai no nakakam.
To contest this upcoming election, the people of the constituency, my supporters, some people, they have asked me to contest this election for the overall development of the constituency. We have seen that Pynthorumkhrah is very much underdeveloped. In spite of having the same candidate elected for 4 terms, no development at all has been there in the constituency. It's very pathetic if we go to some area of the constituency where no street light, no proper road, no proper drainage system. We are going there for a few seconds, it's unbearable for us. So imagine for those people who stay there. Now for 20 years they still stay in that dump, in that slum area. And I have been raising issue from time to time over the issue of women's representation in the assembly. Being a woman, if I can raise this issue from time to time, I feel that I have to lead by contesting the election coming forward so that the numbers of the female representative to the assembly increase.